The friendship of animals. In a forest, 4 animals lived: a rabbit, a crow, a deer, and a tortoise. They were all very good friends and were always ready to help each other. There was a great fear of the lion in the forest, who often caught and ate the animals. One day the lion saw the deer and started chasing it. The deer ran to its friends and asked for help. The rabbit immediately said, "We should teach the lion a lesson together." The crow flew from above and started to distract the lion. The rabbit and the tortoise, along with the deer, started digging a deep pit. They covered the pit with leaves and grass so that it could not be seen. The crow deceived the lion and brought him near the pit, and suddenly the lion fell into the pit. The lion tried very hard to get out of the pit but failed. The friends congratulated each other and said, "There is strength in unity." After getting rid of the fear of the lion, all the animals in the forest were happy. The 4 friends decided to strengthen their friendship further and said that they would always be with each other. Lesson: every problem can be solved with unity and intelligence.